Alright, yo, what's up? So today I purchased a PocketBook Verse Lite, and I'm going to unbox it right now. And before that, I'm just going to explain why I decided to purchase this one, because I've owned many Amazon Kindles in the past, but this time I chose to get a PocketBook for the first time. This is the first time that I'm getting this, so I don't really know PocketBook very well, so we'll see how that goes. So basically, a few years ago, I got rid of all my previous Kindles because I got tired of Amazon's ecosystem and limitation. And so I decided that I would start avoiding big tech companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Google, and Shatira. Now, obviously, it is very difficult to do because those are very large companies, and obviously, I still use them from time to time. But what I found is that yes, these companies make great products, but usually it comes with a cost, and usually it's your freedom and privacy. And so here I'm going with the Pocketbook because I'm not required to log into an account. In fact, if possible, I don't even want to connect to the internet, maybe except for the updates or whatever. But the thing is that when you have a Kindle, you're required to log into your Amazon account because everything is paired to your Amazon account. And I think it's perfectly fine if you're part of the Amazon ecosystem or simply you want to use the Kindle store. But in my case, I don't want to do that, and I'm trying to get out of the Amazon ecosystem. And to be honest, most of the time I just want to sideload my own books into my own device. But with Kindle, I mean, you can't really do that because you're required to use the software sent to Kindle. And with this software, I've had so many issues and problems, and many times it puts on you many restrictions related to the format, sizes, and other things. And so I often had to use softwares to convert the format so that it is actually supported by Kindle and Amazon. And so all of these steps, I just think it was really annoying. I wanted something that gives me more freedom than that I could just plug my device, my e-reader into my computer and just transfer all of my books. And so there it is. I'm going with the Pocket Verse Lite here. This is the Lite version. There's also the Verse version. And basically, from my understanding, is that the Lite version is a more recent model than the Verse version, but it doesn't have some fancy features that I don't really need. And so, for example, the Verse Lite doesn't have the buttons at the bottom here. So the Verse version actually has some buttons, so that's the difference right there. Another difference is that the Verse Lite, you can change the brightness, but you cannot change the temperature of the screen. And so in my case, I don't really care because most of the time I just set some settings and then I just move on with my life. So, I just put some settings and then there you go, I'm done. Another difference here is that the light doesn't have like a sensor, and so if you flip it on the side, it doesn't change the screen or whatever. And so again, I don't really care about that. Another difference is that the Verse Lite doesn't have the micro SD slot, and so it has like 8 gigabyte of storage, of internal storage. But you see, I think that's more than enough to load a bunch of books, and there it is. And also, the Verse Lite has a smaller battery, and so I mean, having a bigger battery could be nice, but I think that those devices, by default, they just last for weeks and maybe even months, and so it's not that big of a deal. And so this one is a little bit cheaper as well, so I just think that's a great thing. So let's just go to the opening right now. All right, so there it is. So here I have the PocketBook Verse Lite, and then here I have a case for the e-reader for the device. And it's not the official case coming from PocketBook. It's actually another case from another company, and so it's KW Mobile. So that's the name of the company right here. So let's just start with the device. So I'm just gonna open it right here. There's this paper here. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, you gotta pull this. Okay, that's nice. It feels so light. It feels pretty good. It feels smooth. But you see, I feel like if I pull it, I feel like I could break it easily. Okay. All right, so here let me check the case real quick so that I can protect the device properly. So there it is. And here I went for a hard case because I want to make sure to protect it. So okay, it actually feels quite nice here. Let me see if I can fit it. Okay, it fits really nicely. That's good. Okay. I was not sure because I think the case was originally for the PocketBook verse, but since this is the Lite, I was not sure, but I think it's working nicely. And there's also a magnet with this one, so you see when I open it, when I close it, it feels really good. All right, so now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to open it by clicking this small button at the bottom of it. See how that goes. So here it's opening. Okay, so here I'm choosing the English language. All right, so here it's asking for my Wi-Fi connection. So I'm gonna connect to my Wi-Fi, but ideally that's only going to be for the updates. All right, there it is. I'm connected to the Wi-Fi. So here I'm gonna agree with those agreements. Click next. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it's configuring, synchronizing. I feel like the screen is a little bit slow. I know it's an ink screen, but use Pocket Store account. Yeah, I don't want to connect to those things. I'm gonna skip for now. I don't want to create an account or anything like that. Yeah, I don't care about that as well. You could also install the application on your phone. I might check it later. All right, it's that simple. I love that. I love that it's so simple. I don't have to log into anything. I just love that. All right, there it is. So to sideload my books or to simply charge my device here, I can simply plug the USB-C into the device, and then it's going to ask me what is it that I want to do. Do I want to link with my PC or do I want to charge? So here I can simply use PC link, and then it's connected to my PC. And so this way I'm allowed to copy the files to my e-reader. All right, so now that my PocketBook is plugged into my computer, I can go into the files of my device, and here I can notice that I already have a bunch of books here. You can see here those are there by default, so it's not it was already there, so that's kind of cool, I guess. But I don't really need all those languages, so I'm gonna delete a few here. Okay, I can see English here. I guess we'll see what happens with those books. I mean, maybe I could be interested in those. I have no idea. All right, so here on the left, those are a bunch of ebooks that I have on my computer. So here I'm simply going to copy and paste them into my device. So there it is. That was pretty quick. So now my ebooks are on my e-reader. Now let's see on my e-reader. All right, so now let me see what happens now that I put my book on my device. Okay, so there it is. I can see that my books are right here. All right, so that's pretty much it. So I think it was pretty simple and straightforward, and we'll see if I actually enjoy this ebook device. And one thing that I try to keep in mind is that when I read a book, I just want to read a book. I mean, these days, so many devices, not only e-readers, but many electronics and many other things have so many features and crazy gimmicks that, yes, it can be nice to have more features, but I love the fact that this device here has a more simplistic approach, and that's exactly why I decided to purchase the PocketBook Verse Lite. In the past, it happened so many times that I purchased a device or a certain product just to be overwhelmed by crazy gimmicks and crazy features that I don't even use or care. But for now, we'll see how I like it, and that's pretty much for this video, alright? Peace.